Hello, in front of me I've got OMODA 5. In this video I'll show you how to enter Control Center. To enter and manage Control Center, let's go to Home page and now scroll down. Right here you can open charging port cover, power the car off, enable electric parking brake or disable it, activate auto hold, activate speed limit, disable driver monitoring system alarm, lane departure prevention, disable traction control, check cameras, adjust HUD, and disable HUD. You can also add additional functions. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.